India has successfully tested its first long-range hypersonic missile. The missile is designed to carry various payloads over distances exceeding 1,500 kilometers at hypersonic speeds surpassing Mach 5. The Biden administration has finally given Ukraine go-ahead to strike targets within Russian territory using long-range ATACMS missiles. With a range of up to 300 kilometers, these missiles provide Ukraine with the ability to hit critical military targets deep within Russian-controlled zones. Ukraine is set to receive new German-developed AI-powered kamikaze drones in the coming weeks. The drone is equipped with state-of-the-art features including the ability to navigate and execute missions even in areas where global navigation satellite systems are jammed or unavailable. Airbus helicopters delivered the first H-145M light combat helicopter to the German armed forces. Germany plans to use these helicopters for training, reconnaissance, special forces operations and light attack missions. The first images of Czech-made DITA self-propelled howitzers in the armament of National Guard of Ukraine have emerged in social media. It is equipped with fully automated turret and integrated fire control system, which enable faster response times and precise targeting.